Welcome to episode 7 of 30 Days of Wild Wonders. Today, we're diving deep into the mysterious and mesmerizing world of octopuses. Imagine an animal with 3 hearts, blue blood, and the ability to vanish into thin water by blending perfectly with its surroundings. Octopuses are not just sea creatures, they're nature's shape-shifting masterminds. From their astonishing intelligence to their otherworldly appearance, these 8-armed wonders hold secrets that will blow your mind. Stick around as we uncover the most mind-boggling facts about octopuses that prove they're truly the aliens of the ocean. Let's get started.
Did you know octopuses are the ultimate masters of disguise? These sea creatures have an almost magical ability to change both their skin color and texture in an instant. How do they do it? Their skin is packed with specialized cells called chromatophores that contain pigments. By expanding or contracting these cells, octopuses can display a stunning range of colors, from deep reds to shimmering blues. But they do not stop there. Beneath the chromatophores are cells called iridophores and leucophores that reflect light, creating metallic and iridescent effects. As if that is not enough, octopuses can also modify the texture of their skin using tiny muscles, mimicking smooth rocks, spiky corals, or sandy seabeds. This makes them almost invisible to both predators and prey. Talk about the ultimate camouflage champions. Nature's ninja of the sea is truly a marvel.
I will show you how to get the best octopus facts of your life. Ready to meet the ocean's ultimate brainiac? Let's dive in. Octopuses have 500 million neurons. Basically, they're the Einstein of the sea. They can open jars, solve puzzles, and even build tiny forts out of coconut shells. Some scientists think if octopuses had Netflix, they'd probably binge-watch science documentaries. So next time you see one, remember, you're meeting a genius in tentacles.
Octopuses aren't just creatures of the sea, they're geniuses of the ocean. With a brain that wraps around their esophagus and 500 million neurons, octopuses rival some mammals in intelligence. These clever animals are known for their problem-solving abilities. They can open jars, solve puzzles, and even use tools. Some have been observed gathering coconut shells to create makeshift shelters, a behavior rarely seen in animals.
But it doesn't end there. Octopuses have remarkable short-term memory and can recognize individual humans, responding differently to people they like versus those they don't. This intelligence makes them escape artists too. There are countless stories of octopuses sneaking out of tanks, crawling across floors, and even climbing into neighboring tanks to grab a snack. Truly, they are the brainiest creatures in the deep blue.
Did you know that octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood? That's right, these sea wonders are as fascinating on the inside as they are on the outside. Here's how it works. 2 of their hearts pump blood to their gills, where oxygen is absorbed, while the 3rd heart pumps oxygen-rich blood to the rest of their body. But there's a twist. When an octopus swims, the heart pumping blood to the body actually stops beating. This is why octopuses prefer crawling over swimming. It saves energy. And their blood isn't red like ours. Instead, it's blue, thanks to a copper-based molecule called hemocyanin. This molecule helps their blood transport oxygen more efficiently in the cold, low-oxygen environments of the ocean depths. So, 3 hearts and blue blood. Octopuses truly have a unique setup that makes them perfectly adapted to their underwater world.
Imagine losing an arm and just growing it back like it's no big deal. Well, for octopuses, it's a superpower. Octopuses are real-life regenerators. If one of their arms is injured or even lost, they can grow it back over time. The process is surprisingly fast and incredibly efficient, producing a fully functional arm that's just as good as the original. This ability isn't just for show, it's a survival mechanism. When threatened by a predator, octopuses can detach an arm on purpose to escape, leaving the predator distracted while they make their getaway. Regenerating an arm is a complex process involving stem cells and intricate tissue development. It's like having a personal repair kit for their body. Truly, octopuses are the ultimate survivors of the ocean.
When danger strikes, octopuses do not just swim away, they blast off. Octopuses are equipped with a built-in jet propulsion system. They draw water into a muscular cavity and then forcefully expel it through a siphon, creating a powerful jet that propels them backward at incredible speed. This jet-powered escape technique helps them flee from predators like sharks or eels in the blink of an eye. It is not just speed, it is strategy too. Octopuses can aim their siphon in different directions, giving them precise control over where they shoot off. But that is not all. They often combine this escape with another trick, releasing a cloud of dark ink. This ink not only obscures their pursuer's vision, but also contains chemicals that can dull the predator's sense of smell, making it even harder to track the fleeing octopus. Octopuses are not just masters of disguise, they are also oceanic rockets, leaving predators in their wake.
Did you know that all octopuses are venomous? That's right, but don't worry, not all of them are dangerous to humans. Octopuses use their venom primarily to subdue prey, like crabs and fish. The venom is delivered through their beak, which acts like a biological syringe. For most species, this venom isn't harmful to humans, it's just potent enough to paralyze their next meal. However, there's one octopus you don't want to mess with, the blue-ringed octopus. Despite its small size, this octopus carries venom so powerful that it can be deadly to humans. Its venom contains tetrodotoxin, a neurotoxin that can cause paralysis and even respiratory failure. The good news? Blue-ringed octopuses are shy and typically flash their vibrant blue rings only as a warning when threatened. So as long as you admire these fascinating creatures from a distance, you're safe. From harmless hunters to potentially deadly defenders, octopuses show that size doesn't determine power.
Octopuses are some of the smartest creatures in the ocean, but their time in the spotlight is heartbreakingly brief. Despite their advanced intelligence, most octopuses have a short lifespan, typically living only 1 to 2 years. Their life is a whirlwind of discovery, survival, and innovation, crammed into a fleeting timeline. For many species, their end comes shortly after reproduction. Males die soon after mating, and females spend their final days tending to their eggs. During this time, the mother octopus stops eating, focusing all her energy on protecting and aerating her clutch until they hatch, a bittersweet act of ultimate sacrifice. Their short lives are a reminder that intelligence doesn't always equate to longevity. But in their brief time, octopuses leave an indelible mark on the ocean story as enigmatic, brilliant, and fleeting wonders of the deep. Octopuses are not just intelligent, they're uniquely intelligent. Did you know that 2/3 of their neurons are located in their arms? This means their arms can think and act independently of their central brain. Each limb is like its own mini-brain, capable of exploring, tasting, and even solving problems without direct input from the octopus's central brain. Imagine this. While an octopus's main brain is focused on a predator, its arms can simultaneously search for food, open jars, or even coordinate a sneaky escape. It's multitasking on a whole new level. This incredible neural setup makes octopuses unparalleled problem solvers in the animal kingdom, earning them the title of the ocean's masterminds. Isn't it amazing how much brainpower these creatures pack into their flexible, suction-cupped limbs? When it comes to escaping predators, octopuses are the ultimate escape artists, and their ink is their secret weapon. But this inky defense is more than just a visual smokescreen. The cloud not only obscures the predator's view, but also contains compounds that mess with their sense of smell, making it nearly impossible to track the octopus. It's like throwing a blackout and a scent eraser at the same time. Some species even eject ink that forms a decoy shape, fooling predators into attacking the fake octopus while the real one makes a swift getaway. Talk about next-level trickery. The next time you see an octopus clouding the waters, remember it's not just running away, it's staging an ocean masterpiece of misdirection.